To all you lovers out there, happy upcoming Valentine's Day, a day in which we express our love through greetings and gifts. My name is John Berglund and I'm the master perfumer at Tijon. Valentine's had its origins in an old Roman festival celebrating the coming of spring, which included fertility rites and the pairing of women with men by lottery. Today we celebrate with the three most common gifts: flowers, chocolates, and perfumes. Flowers are beautiful, but did you know they're bred to last longer and therefore have very little scent? Chocolates, delicious, but may not be diet friendly. So therefore my favorite naturally is perfume, because many perfumes contain aphrodisiac oils, oils that heighten sexual attraction and sexual arousal. Some of the aphrodisiac oils include vanilla, rose, lime, lavender, ylang-ylang, amber, musk, sandalwood, and patchouli, among others. If you want a niche perfume for your lover, look at the smaller perfume houses, such as Tijon, where we hand bottle each perfume using the most quality ingredients found in the Caribbean and worldwide. And if you want a really niche, exclusive perfume for your lover, consider a gift certificate to our virtual lab where they can create their own formula/perfume online with us with a money-back guarantee. So go forward, smell good, and happy Valentine's Day.